Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing the REDTIGER F77 DASHCAM. This has built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, 4K. You get all of the different views, front and rear, and it's supposed to have really good night vision. So today we're gonna install this together. We're gonna test it out, get some footage, and see how it really is, do a little review on it, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works. First things first, we're gonna do a little unboxing so I can show you guys what all comes in it. So we have this first box, and then we do have this bag, which says it's going to be the Hardwire kit, which is how we're gonna be installing this dash cam. But first, open up this box. You have the manual, start guide, and it looks all fancy in here. So we have the front camera. This one looks a lot nicer than my F17 dash cam that's in the G80. Fancy. And then we have the smaller one, which is going to be the rear camera. Fancies. All right, and then we have this little box. This is the one that plugs into just the cigarette lighter if you want to do it an easier way and you don't want to hardwire it. But this will not be used because I'm not doing that. Next box we have, all right, so we have the little trim tool. And this is the wire for the camera. All right, push that to the side. Now let's get into the Hardwire kit that it comes with. Open this up, ASMR action. All right, a little more stickies. All right, another trim tool, how lovely. We have all of the fuse tap options to hardwire it. And then a little wiring harness we got going on. And then of course, the little packet that has all of the instructions to do the hardwire on it. All right, now let's just get right into the install. So now getting to the install, here we have the whole wiring harness. And what you wanna do with this is gonna plug into the front camera and you're gonna tap into the fuse box, which is in the rear in the trunk. And the problem that I have is that this is not long enough to reach from the trunk to the front of the car. So with that, now I have to extend all of these 3 wires, and this is nice on the wiring harness. You have this labeled for you if you guys don't already know. It says B+ on here, red is accessory, and then black is always ground. So gonna extend those, get this installed. But yeah, we're gonna extend the wires and go from there. And I have little towels under my shoes so that they don't get dirty. Here's the finished wiring harness with it all lengthened, and then you guys can see the ends. So first we're gonna do the ground, which I'm gonna connect to the battery. You're gonna go up through here, and you're gonna take your 10 mil to do that. I think I said this in the last install video I did for the dash cam, but I messed up talking. Okay, I think I said this in the last video I did for installing the dash cam in the G80, but I mean, it all depends on your car, on which fuses you're gonna have to tap into. For my car, I'm doing number 33 and 39. So we're gonna pull this first fuse out for the accessory power. All right, and then you're gonna take the fuse tap. That one's done, got some help pushing that one in. All right, now I'm gonna plug it back in. And then second one, we're tapping into, plug this in, and then plugging it back in. Bam. All right, gonna do accessory first to the first one that I did. All right, first one. All right, take the second one, which is the constant power, and then plug this one in. All right guys, now with everything ready, it is time to run the wire all the way to the front of the car. This is what it's looking like. So that wire is gonna run all the way up through the headliner and then to the front. Here. Forgot I also need to do the rear wire, so just gonna put that in the same spot where I did the power and run it all through here. so now officially time to plug in and install the front facing camera. So this has 3M basically on the back of it. You can adjust this part, move it wherever you want. So first I'm gonna figure out where I want this to be. So to do that, I'm gonna plug it in and see the camera view. We're gonna take off all the protective film, and I'll tuck these wires back in and make them look better in a second. But I just wanna get this turned on so we can see how it looks. Turn green, so there we go. Powering on. All right, so this is the view. Dang, this is actually so clear. I wish the frickin' beeping would stop, so I'm sorry about that, you guys. But this is such a clear view, what the heck? Now, I think here's good, yeah. So now it's stuck on there. I'm gonna hide these wires in here a little better. That's as good as we're gonna get. And there she is. All right, now I have I'm sitting on the back camera. The rear camera, I'm gonna go put this. So we have the cord for the rear. We are going to take off this protective film for the camera, plug it in really quickly. Bam. Does it show up on there? All right, now take off. Actually, I need to figure out where I want it. So what's it showing? Oh, I'm gonna put it here, and then I can adjust where I want it to be. So that is the final install of the REDTIGER F77 DASHCAM. I am gonna get you guys some clips of what it looks like and go over it a little bit more. The nice thing about this camera is that it does have 128 gigabytes of storage, so you guys don't have to go to the store and purchase an SD card, and you can download everything to your phone, which is really, really nice. I'm gonna get you guys some driving content so you guys can see it. The point of view and the night vision is supposed to be really good. So let's do a little review of the dash cam. All right guys, so oh my gosh, the mic is literally upside down. Guys, so I've been driving around with the dash cam installed now for a little bit. Sorry if it's shaking, that's literally my car. But yeah, I've been driving around the dash cam. Quality is freaking amazing. So a few highlights of this camera that you guys should know is that it is dual 4K front and rear. You don't really see that on other dash cams, so that is really nice. Quality is always there with the REDTIGER ones that I've had. Aside from having 4K amazing quality, it has night vision, which is really nice, and it is super easy to install. As you guys saw with my install, I did have to lengthen it and get some extra wire, but every car is different. It's an easy install, and you guys can also refer back to my G80 REDTIGER dashcam install video. I have everything there as well. But yeah, I mean, I'm loving this dash cam so far. I know this sounds like a sponsorship or something, but if you guys don't know already, I do have another REDTIGER dash cam installed in the G80, and I love it. Every single video I've posted with that dash cam has gone viral online. Everyone always gives compliments on how good the quality is. The 4K is amazing with these cameras, so that's always a plus. It's really easy to download all of the media right onto your phone. And yeah, built-in Wi-Fi, built-in GPS. There's so much nice things about this camera, and I absolutely love it. So I guess that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Yeah, bye.